maybe 4 or 5 months, 6 months after Nixon resigned in 1974. It was the lunch hour one day, and I was working at my desk out in the newsroom, and Howard had one of these offices with big glass windows, so you could see in and he could see out. And I look up, and he's standing at the window of his office. Come on in. So walk in, and he has the obituary page of the New York Times spread out on a little table. And he said, look at that. And I said, and it said, Joe Jones won Pulitzer in 1943, dies. And I said, okay. And he said, that's you. And I said, what? In what way? And he said, see that guy? You ever hear of him after 1943? And I said, well, no, I didn't. He said, no one did. And he said, you are learning this business. I think you like it. And he talked about some of the things in journalism that, you know, you can't measure the impact of every story. You just kind of do it and so on. And he's kind of going through giving a little fatherly speech. And then he said the most important thing. He said, now get your ass out of here and get back to work. That was how
He was definitely one of the most influential people in my life as well. He touched a lot.
Did he tell you to get